Hi, my name's Trishan Marley and I'm going to do a small presentation on the alternative to block braces. So firstly, what are block braces? Block braces are a upper and lower removable brace that you wear together, and they are used to bring the lower jaw forwards. They're given around the age of puberty, so for girls probably you'd wear this brace when you're 12, 13, and when you're a boy you're probably wearing this brace when you're 14, 15. How does it look in the mouth? You wear both the pieces together and this is how it looks in the mouth. What does it do? You use the block braces when you have sticking out teeth, and the cause of your sticking out teeth is the small lower jaw. So here you can see the teeth are sticking out and the lower jaw is too far back. When you put the block braces in, it brings the lower jaw forwards and encourages the lower jaw to grow more than the upper jaw, and that's how you can stop the teeth sticking out. Disadvantages with the block braces, well, as you can see from this photo, it's a very bulky appliance, so when the child first has block braces, it takes a bit of getting used to. They talk a bit funny for a couple of weeks, and the other disadvantage is that it's removable. So if you take it out and you don't wear it all the time, it's not going to work. Block braces, you need to wear it 23 hours a day. You just take it out for brushing your teeth and eating. If you can eat with it, it will help as well. So one of the disadvantages is that kids take the brace out, they don't wear it, or they're just wearing it for 10 hours a day. If you just wear it for 10 hours a day, it's not going to work. It's an all or nothing brace. So either you wear it 23 hours a day, wear it less than that, it's not going to do any effect. And this is the reason why there are alternatives to block braces. And one of the alternatives, I find the best alternative that I've used, is the Mire appliance. This is what it looks like. These two bits go in the upper jaw on the back teeth, and these two bits go in the lower jaw on the back teeth. When it's in the mouth, it looks like this, so there's nothing on the front of the teeth, so no one can see it. It's fixed in, so there's no issues with taking it out, and it's a more comfortable brace to speak with because it doesn't cover most of the palate like the twin block brace does. Here's a case I've treated using the Mire appliance. This is the before photo. The lower jaw is too far back. You can see this fold of the lower chin, the skin fold here, and you can then see the lower jaws come forwards. There's less of a fold here, and the teeth no longer stick out. So I'll just show you the photo of the teeth. So this is the teeth sticking out beforehand, and this is the teeth afterwards. See, the upper teeth don't stick out because the lower jaw has been brought forwards. Here's the photo from the front, sticking out teeth, crooked teeth. Here's the photo afterwards, teeth aren't sticking out and the teeth are straight. Again, the smiling photo, sticking out teeth, straight teeth that no longer stick out. So this is called the Mire appliance. This is my favorite brace to bring the lower jaw forwards. The reason why is that it takes less getting used to. You can talk with it well. It's fixed in, so there's no reason for it not to work. My name's Trishan Marley. If you're thinking about braces or you wanted to look at alternatives to block braces, I'm available at the Park Dental Clinic and also Cavendish Dental Practice.